Blessed love fit marketers, and today I have for you another great morning routine. And morning routine is very important because one, it builds that discipline. So you start off the day productive. So doing a morning routine is not just about getting blood pumping and stuff like that. It's not just about the workout, it's all about discipline and commitment and overall getting a better mindset. So when you start off the morning routine with a workout, your day is automatically won. That's why I talk about win the war in the morning. So we start off with a workout every morning. And this routine is very lovely for beginners because it is low impact and it don't require any prior fitness to actually perform this routine every single morning. Okay? Yeah, that's the morning routine and a great way to start off your day, as I always say, with a nice core workout. And this will keep you energized throughout the whole day, and this also ensure that you win the war from in the morning, because you get up, you do something uncomfortable. That's out of your comfort zone. So that builds discipline. And workout is all about mindset. It's not about the physical. So if you enjoy the video and got value from it, smash like. And also if you're new around here, hit subscribe and that bell for more videos like this. Julius Ellis here from Fit Marketer, and I post every Wednesday 7 p.m. sharp. So see you again next week.